Our distinguished guest speaker is a BS Psychology graduate of the University of the Philippines, Diliman. She had her Doctor of Medicine degree at the University of the East, Ramon Magsaysay Memorial Medical Center. She had her residency training in psychiatry at University of the Philippines, PGH, where she served as chief resident in 2008. She is both a diplomate and a fellow board top-notcher of the Philippine Psychiatric Association. She completed a one-year clinical fellowship in consultation liaison psychiatry at Tan Tock Seng Hospital in Singapore. A member of the Committee on Advocacy, Legislation, and Media of the Philippine Psychiatric Association. She assisted the numerous victims of Typhoon Ondoy in 2009, doing psychosocial processing with PPA Psychosocial Response Group. She produced a study presented at Taipei Medical University in Taiwan entitled A Cross-Sectional Study on the Relationship Between Stress and the Level of Job Satisfaction among the Burn Unit staff of UP-PGH. A former board member of the Philippine Psychiatric Association. Currently, she is an active in academia, a professor and subject expert in psychiatry at the Ateneo de Manila University, School of Medicine and Public Health, and also a professor of Health Science Program, School of Science and Engineering at the Ateneo de Manila University. Being a mental health advocate, she has been guesting on television, a sought-after resource speaker on all major television networks in the country, a frequent guest in ABS-CBN, GMA7, CNN Philippines, and TV5 talk shows, such as The Rated K, Salamat Doc, and Good Vibes, as well as in radio programs of DZMM, DZBB, and Radio 5 that addresses mental health issues and wellness. Some of the interesting topics that she talks about were dealing with depression and anxiety, and the current state of the mental health in the Philippines. She is also the first ever and reigning Miss Philippine Psychiatric Association, a full-time consultant of the Department of Psychiatry at the Veterans Memorial Medical Center, and a residency training officer at the same institution. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Dr. Joan May G. PEREZ Rifareal.